Alright everyone, so we all know that Valentine's Day is just around the corner, but I need a quick but impressive meal to make. Mom, can you teach me how to make it?
I sure can. We're gonna roast up some tomatoes with feta, garlic, fresh basil, and we're gonna serve it over pasta.
Oh, that sounds delicious, Mom. Let's cook.
Cooking with Coop.
Mom, I am so excited to make this dish. I'm making it for my girlfriend, Ashley.
Yay.
She's gonna love it.
She sure is.
All right, Mom, so what is the first step?
This is so easy, you're gonna love it.
Really?
We already put some.
But before we keep going, if you like this kind of content, make sure you like the video and subscribe down below for more videos.
We gotta get all these ingredients into this one pan, because this is a one pan meal.
A one-pan meal.
Yes, we're gonna start with these cherry tomatoes.
Okay.
I already got 2 pints in here, you're gonna throw that in.
We're gonna throw the third pint in here.
Indeed.
Look at that.
Nice. Now you're gonna take the feta and we're gonna make room and we're gonna put it in the middle.
Okay. 1 block of feta.
Indeed. I think it's a 8-ounce block of feta.
Okay.
Then we're gonna take a half of this half cup of oil. So
Okay.
half of that.
Half of the half of a
Half
cup.
of the half a cup.
Is that a quarter
And
cup?
drizzle, oh yeah, it's a quarter cup. And drizzle it all over.
Okay.
And then we're gonna season this all up. We're gonna add some Mrs. Dash.
So Mrs. Dash.
Or any Italian seasoning you might have at home.
All right.
Just give it a little swiggle.
A little swiggle action.
Swiggle action.
The old copyrighted Cookin with Coop swiggle.
Exactly. We just want to season everything, right? Everything goes into this pan, gets seasoned.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. You can even hit the feta.
Hit the feta.
Yeah, baby. No, not literally.
Not like that.
Okay, that's perfect. And we're gonna take the rest of the olive oil and we're gonna pour that all over.
Pour it on top again.
We're gonna get it all in there. Give it a little stir, mix up all the seasoning. You're gonna pop it in the oven at 400 for 30 minutes.
All right. Ooh.
Oh man.
Look at that.
Look, the smell in this kitchen is intoxicating. It smells so good.
It's divine. Oh.
So we checked it out. Now we're gonna put it back in the oven at 450 for 10 more minutes to burst all those tomatoes and make a jammy tomato sauce. All right, it's finally done. It's out of the oven, and you know what?
What?
My friend Paula, shout out to Paula.
Hey.
She actually serves this as an appetizer.
Oh yeah? Just like this?
Just like this,
Oh, wow.
with all the bursting tomatoes and the feta cheese, and you just get in there with a cracker, and it's so good.
Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. So good.
So good.
So good. It sounds so good.
But we're gonna kick it up, or
Yeah.
zhuzh it up, by adding some basil and some garlic.
All right.
So just plop her in. All right, give it a stir, Cooper, and let's mix this up.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
There we go. Now
there
we're
we
done.
That. I'm sorry, I shouldn't laugh. That's like molten hot lava.
Oh my lord.
Sorry about that, Cooper.
Literally lava
Well,
squirting
okay,
out.
just take it down a notch and go slower.
I got a lick of that off my arm though. The tomatoes are so sweet.
Ooh.
Oh, it.
I bet roasting them really brought out the sugar in them.
Yeah.
You know?
So good. Also, y'all, just gotta say, it smells like your finest
Oh my
Italian
gosh.
restaurant
It
in
really
here right
does.
now.
I think this is one of the most aromatic dishes we've made.
Yes.
The whole time we're cooking, I'm like, I'm dying. I just want to dive in and scarf it all up.
It's so good.
It's so good. All right, Coop, that looks fantastic.
So what are we gonna do with this now?
We're gonna add some pasta that I already cooked. You can use a corkscrew, you could use spaghetti, you can use elbows like I did.
Elbow.
Anything you like.
All right. It's like, what should I say? You think we gotta use the Meat Chopper 5000 for this one?
Yeah.
Just get a good
Yeah.
crunch up?
Yeah.
Not a sponsor.
Cooper, this looks perfect.
Doesn't it? Oh,
I'm so excited.
looks so good. I think it's about time for the taste test. I say you began. Let's get a bite. Oh, I got monster bite. Holy
So
crap.
good.
Holy crap.
It's like the tomatoes turned into sun-dried tomatoes.
Yeah, right? They're so sweet and so like popping with flavor.
I tell you, that was really good.
I tells you.
I
That's
tells
so
you.
good.
Your girlfriend's gonna love this one.
And I think you guys will too.
Good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching yet another episode of Cooking with Coop. We hope you enjoyed. We hope you make this food, and we hope you have a pleasant Valentine's Day. If you liked the video, make sure to like and comment and subscribe down below, and we will see you guys in the next one.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye. That was funny.
That's hilarious. All right, do your